Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your device to a restore point that was working before your device started giving you a problem. So let's say you have Windows 11 and after some time an update was installed on your device. So after this update, you observe that your device is working very slowly. Even you decide to uninstall that update, sometimes the update may reinstall again, or it may actually reinstall after a cumulative update has been installed. It's going to be reconfigured on your device. But you want to actually go back to a point that was working before you start getting that problem for your device started crashing. So what you need to do is you need to go to your start menu and just type restore. Here it says create a restore point, or we can just let me just go to create a restore point here. So it says we have the option called system restore. It says you can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. So just click system restore. So under the restore system files and settings, says system restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So just click next, and here it says you can see that I've already created a restore point for this device. So I did a different video on how to actually create a restore point in case you don't know how to create one yourself. So here you can see that now we have a restore point which have been created, and we can decide to actually click next. And then here it says, okay, we're going to actually restore our device to a point that works. So your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. So just click finish, and it says once started, your system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? We're going to say yes, and now you can see that our system is trying to restore. So let me just pause this video and wait till our system restore complete. Now you can see that my device is actually trying to restart because it definitely needs to restart. You can see place where your Windows files and settings are being restored. System restore is initializing. So this is actually very important. In the case your device is actually very slow, you are having issues with your So after your device actually go back to a specific restore point, then you can just enter your PIN code or your password to restart to log onto your device. So my device is trying to log on right now. So after restarting your device, definitely your device will be working back again as it used to be. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Thank you and goodbye.